So guys, welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, today now I'm going to bazaar. This is bazaar bag 1, bazaar bag 2, and this bag is my father's. Mula father lase, mula papa lase. But only dress. And this is my outfit, sandal. So yeah, let's go. So guys, here we go. Oh, going finally, and this is our condition. Should be as rasta, but still we never give up. It's so sunny. Panigiri se, but why not? Oh, I mean, over some heat more not panigiri se, but no pie. Jawa lagi jai bazaar lo. After a long gap, jai today bazaar de. So guys, bye. Bazaar de berries. It's too hot. And I'm busy taking up the videos and searching some clothes.